What's he up to now?
This gorgeous lady.
Howdy, howdy.
Dick.
72 acres.
It's
Bread time. You want safety? Stop watching now. Hey folks, we've decided it's time to move the pigs. Their pastures are really well eaten and we need to move them on. We're going to be away for about 36 hours, so we want to make sure they're happy and got plenty of grass to eat. So we've locked Eve up with her little babies and the boys are going to be locked up next. I've taken down all the fencing around Eve's pasture and we're about to move it on. Rob's doing the outer perimeter, getting it mowed, getting the corner posts down so everything works well. It's a big job. We like to do these things at the last minute. Are you guys locked up? Oh dear. Did I bribe you with some food? And you've eaten it all. Are you out causing mischief, are you? I bet you are.
We get a little bit more efficient each time we do this. This time we've locked the girls up, taken down all of their wiring, and we're going to take down all of these pegs, move them over to the next cell and set them back up and just put that neatly coiled wires back through. And these tread-ins make it super easy. Just pull them out and put them back in.
So we've got all the boys to take down and then we'll be moving them down there where Rob is into some nice fresh grass. Won't we, buddy? Rob's mowed a strip around the edge, put a corner piece in, put the rest of the supplies here that I've unpacked from up the top, and we'll get ready to put them back up. Oh, here comes the dynamic duo. Been for a swim in the creek? You guys are getting big, aren't you? Hey, look how big you are. Yeah. Come on for a pat. Oh boy. Okay, we're going to get back to work now. Go and play. That doesn't mean you can get out. It just means it's time to move house.
Super organised here. We've got all of our tread-ins and wire ready to go to put up the next cell.
We're moving from this to this. Getting these lined up, ready to go in.
So all the groundwork's done. We're ready to push in the tread-in posts and put the wire up. Just one last little corner to be mowed and Bob's pulling the house down to the new pig cell with the tractor. Massey Ferguson's come in so handy with these types of jobs, especially pulling timber. So now the tread-in posts are all up in a nice straight line. It's just a matter of going around with the electrical rope and pressing them down into the clips on the posts. It's that simple. More simple with two hands. I'm holding onto the camera, but you can just see how simple this system is and super effective. Really the only time that the pigs are getting out is when they're seeing an opportunity that we're moving the fence line and they're seeing gaps or they know something's going on. So generally they're in. Obviously today they're out.
What are you doing out there? What are you doing in here? Oh, it's not going too far. We're nearly done. Come up. Pig, pig.
Getting some feed ready to coax him back into his pen.
He's a naughty pig. Everyone else thinks it's feed time. Ready? Pig, pig! Pig, pig! Look out! Everyone thinks it's feed time. All this bucket shaking. Oh! You're being a good boy staying in, aren't you? Pig, pig! All right, Betty.
I think we got submission. You might have to lift that wire up there.
Yep. Hello, mate. Goodness, how's your back?
That's fine.
Okay. See, it's much nicer in here. Come on. Piggy pigs. Come on. Come on. Good girl, Evie. Here. Here you go. Come on, pig pigs. Good pig pigs. Come on. One in, one out. One guy's in, one guy's done a runner. So we eventually got everyone into their new homes, and it was such a beautiful day we decided to take a break and head down the creek. Cheers! There's always a little job to do on the way. There goes Rob. So, how many kills have you got on your gun there? I got about 20 rounds, I reckon. And our wine in the other hand. Look at Nick doing all the work. And management, Nick. Okay, Jazzy. Beep, beep. Look out. Yay. Okay, let's go down the creek. Right, going down the creek. Wine. Going. See, you should never drink drive. If you do it on your own private property. Yep, and make sure that you're bloody good at it. Don't spill a drop. Only have your first drink on the quad. Yes. Then spill a drop. And just like that, it was back to work. Doesn't mean to say that work can't be fun.
Daily dog spa. They love it, don't they?
Yeah.
As the sun slowly crept into the sky, it filled the morning air with warmth and light. Sounds of birds in harmony, and you there right next to me.
After a morning cuppa on the back steps watching the dogs play, it's back to it again. And today we're visiting a friend's property who's just slashed his large flat area where he has campers come in, and he has piles and piles of hay for us to collect and bring back for the Brumbies. Thanks, Jono.
Hey guys, collecting some more hay. Little Miss Sticky Beak is going to be in the middle of everything. Just unloading this lot onto the trailer so we can tarp it up and keep it out of this rainy weather. Here's the ponies over here. They're enjoying some nice fresh grass.
Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, glorious hay. Hey! Is that good?
Jazzy is a self-shedding dorper, so she is here rubbing her wool off on the fence.
Yeah.
Oh, and a nice scratch for Maggie. Rocco's still in hospital in Mocker's shed. His foot's still quite sore and he needs to be on a very thick bed of sand because the concern really is for his other foot that's taking all the weight. It has been known for the bone to move down through the foot with a horse who is putting all of their weight constantly on one leg. And the Brumbies are just super happy with some green grass and the cool change in the weather. And other things don't stop just because we've got new Brumbies and hay to collect. All of the other jobs still need to be done and all of the other animals still need to be cared for. The rain does slow down some jobs that make it more difficult, but you will never hear us complain about the rain.
Through days of warmth and by your side, like stars in the moon in the nighttime sky.